Hey, it's Max here, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can create a giveaway with ManyChat. It's going to be really cool. It's like a really cool way to gain a lot of new subscribers fast. So let's just dive right in, and also everything that we're going to build you will also find in the description box below. So first of all, what are we going to create exactly? So we're going to create a giveaway with ManyChat, right? So we're going to create a complete giveaway that people can join by commenting on a post. So we're going to create a Facebook post, and as soon as someone is commenting on that Facebook post, they will enter the giveaway. Now we're also going to include a smart email capture because I think it's also important to grow your email list fast. And I will show you how you can use one-time notifications to notify people about the winner and also about some other things. So I will show you that in a bit. So how are we going to do this? Before I will show you the flows, we have to create some things. So first we have to create a bot field, and the bot field should be called giveaway winner. So go over to your settings and then to custom fields, and then in the top you will find your user fields, and then if you scroll down you will find your bot fields. Now I already created it here. You see giveaway winner, and this is a text type custom field, and I've set it to unknown. So just click this button, say giveaway winner, set it to text, give the value unknown, and then if you want you can also add a description there. Then we have to create some one-time notification topics. So we're going to create one for when there is a new giveaway, so that also when this giveaway is over we can still send messages to these people about the next giveaway. It's also really cool. And then one about the winner announcement. So go back into settings and then go to OTN topics. And then here you see that I created them giveaway, new giveaway, giveaway, winner announcement. So I basically like to name them with the category that the OTN belongs to and then the specific thing. So you can create that by clicking new topic, and then you would say giveaway, and then for example winner announcement. And then if you want, again, you can just add a description if you want to. And then the next thing that we have to do is we have to set up a comment growth tool. So for people to opt into the giveaway. So go over to your growth tools, to widgets, and then click new growth tool to create a new widget. And then down here you will find Facebook comments. So I will show you what mine looks like that I've set up. So when you first open this, there was a bunch of settings that you have to do. So first it will ask if the growth tools would work with a specific post or with all the posts on your page. So you probably want to choose a specific post. So I created this Facebook post. So it says hey, I want to win my new flagship course for free. It's called Bots That Convert, and in this course you will learn this and this and that. All you have to do is copy and finish the next sentence and post it below. My favorite fruit is ... After that, you'll get a message in Messenger with further instructions. So I ask people to finish a certain sentence, and I know that this sentence that they're going to copy will always contain the word fruit. So when I'm going to set up the comment growth tool, which I will show you in a bit, then you will see that I will set it up in such a way that it will always trigger to people who comment to this post that contains the word fruit. And then I also think in your post it's important to mention that people are going to get a message in Messenger, not that they're surprised that they suddenly get a message, but that they comment and they're hey, of course I get this message, let's engage with it. Now, and then I will say here, I'll announce the winner 2 weeks from now. Good luck. Now, then you have to select that post. So I already selected it, so I cannot do it again. And then you can here click if you want to track first level comments only, or basically all the comments. So first level comments are all the basically main comments, and then the second level comments are all the replies to those comments. So I usually just leave this off, just reply to everyone who replies. And then you can say when you want the bot to trigger. Do you want to trigger it immediately, after a few seconds, or minutes? I would just set it to immediately, then the person gets the message right away. Then if you want, you can also exclude some keywords. And then here you see how I've set up that it triggers for comments with certain keywords. So as I explained earlier, I wanted to trigger when someone types a sentence with fruit in it, if they really complete the sentence, my favorite fruit is, obviously you can go for something else, right? But then I would go for fruit, and then I also just included like the top 15 favorite fruits in case they type like a different sentence like I like apples. Then it will still trigger because here it says apples. So after you've set up that, then we have to set up an auto response. So this is the message that people get after they commented on your post. So they comment on your post, a messenger window appears, and then they get this message. So I would go for something like this. Hey Max, thanks for commenting on that post. Just smack the bubble below or type something to enter the giveaway. So it's very important that people are going to engage with this message because they only become a subscriber the moment that they react to this thing. So I've set up here a quick reply. When they click the quick reply, a flow will start, and that is our registration flow, which I will show you in a bit. But I also say here, or type something to enter the giveaway. And that's what I've set in the opt-in actions. So here you see, select what happens if the subscriber types and then send to everyone who replies. So even if they do not click this, but they just type something else, then it will still trigger and it will send the opt-in flow, which is also our registration flow. And then if you want, you can add people to a sequence, but I did not have a use case for that here. So that's how you set up the Facebook comments tool. It's like really easy. You select your post, you set some settings, make sure to like add all your words and maybe also some typos of those words. Then you set up your auto response, so the message that they get, set up a quick reply or a button if you want to, and then also set up an opt-in action. Now then, what we have to do is we have to set up our flows. And I've set up 3 different flows. So we have a registration flow, we have an automated follow-up, which is optional but recommended, and then a winner announcement. So let's start with the registration flow. So the registration flow is also the flow that people get when they opt in, when they click this quick reply, or when they reply with anything. So this is what that flow looks like. So it's rather big, but let me just start at the beginning and then work slowly towards the end. It's actually really, really simple. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to check if they replied before a certain date and certain time. So here you see, is the current time before the 1st of January at 1 in the morning? Now, why do we do that? Because we imagine people are going to comment on the post months from now and the giveaway is already long over. So that's why I think it's important to quickly simply check the current time. So you can do that by typing here current time, click, and then you say here before, and then you can say a specific date, and then you just put your date in there. Now then the next thing that I want to check, if someone is not already participating in the contest yet, because we do not want people to go to the same flow multiple times for some reason. So this tag we give people as soon as they like finish this flow, basically, that they're really participating in the contest. So you will see later on where I'm going to add that tag. So if they do not have that tag is not event participant contest and then your contest name, then we send a message like this. So there's like a little personal photo. Awesome that you would like to participate in the contest. To take part, we have 3 short questions. And these questions are to basically segment our audience, because I think that's really important. Like you want to figure out some basics about a person. So here you see when somebody says, okay, that I continue with, okay, what do you offer? Like, do you offer services, digital products, or physical products? So for me, it's important to know, like, okay, what kind of products are you selling so that I can send you more relevant content. So these questions and answers will obviously be different for you. And then I store the answers to these questions into custom fields. So these custom fields are my segmentation custom fields. So I created here, for example, segment product. So when they click service, then I set segment product to service. And then I continue to the next one where I ask, what is your biggest struggle right now? Now, if they would say convert leads, then I say segment goal better conversion. And then last but not least, I ask, if I want to help you, what would be the best way? Now, instead of an online course, then we set segment best way to help to online course. So just some like things to like do segmentation so that you can personalize further messages in the future. You do not have to do this, but I would recommend to do it. And then say, okay, perfect, you're all done. We'll announce the winner by email. Is that okay for you? So this is very permission based, right? We ask simply like, hey, we're going to announce the winner by email. Is that okay for you? Instead of just like smacking like a smart email capture in their face, like, hey, give your email address. Like, we are just very friendly. We ask like, hey, we announced the winner by email. I said, okay. Now, if they say, ok, send me an email, then we check, do we already have their email address? Because if we already have their email address, we're not going to ask for it again, right? But if we do not have the email address, if the email system field has any value, if it does not have any value, then we follow the red line because it doesn't match that condition. And then we say, okay, click the bubble below or type your best email address. And then you see here that the reply type is email. We save the email to a system field. And if they type something that is not an email address, then they're going to get a message like this. Please enter a correct email address. And then, for example, me@mail.com. Now, after they do that, they automatically continue, and then we give the tag that I talked about at the beginning of this flow. Event, participant contest, XYZ. So when they have this tag, they cannot start this flow over and over again. Then the next time they will just get a message here that says, let me search for it. Sorry, you can only take part in this contest once. And then they can still ask a question if they want. Now, and then the following step really depends on your email service provider. So I'm using ActiveCampaign, so I'm automatically adding people to ActiveCampaign. Here's how you set that up. So I'm using ActiveCampaign, their API, and then here's the body that I'm using. So in case you're using that, feel free to like take a screenshot and use that. So I'm adding them to ActiveCampaign, and then I also add a tag to their profile that says that they're participating in that contest, so they can easily send an email to all these people. But if you're, for example, using MailChimp, you can also use MailChimp, their API, or if you're not so taggy, then it's also okay to use Zapier or Integromat, or you could even skip that altogether and you could just like use ManyChat, their email service to send emails, then you do not have to add them to any other tool. Now then we'll say, perfect, we'll send an email to, and then the email variable when the results are in. And then here is the next trick. Shall I also notify you here in Messenger when the winner is known? So again, permission based, like, shall I notify you? So there's also like a little micro commitment, right? When people say yes, they're much more likely to continue the next action. And you'll be surprised how many people are actually going to say like, yes, please notify me. Now, and then you see here that we're going to request a one-time notification. So here we say, perfect, smack the button below to get notified. And then here we added the OTNR. So we added this, and then here, get notified when the winner of the giveaway is known. I'll delete this. And then you see that I've set the topic to giveaway winner announcement. So that way, if someone clicks this button, then we are enabled to send that person a message outside the 24-hour window, because usually you cannot do that, right? Now then when they do that, we say, ok, I will notify you. Now then if they want, you can like give a high five or they can ask a question. And then earlier here, the moment that they basically opted in and gave their email address, so that they're really participating in the giveaway, then you see here that after this message, we automatically continue to a next step. You see it here, right? So we like check this, and then we automatically continue to the smart delay. So here it says wait at least 1 hour and then continue between like midnight and 1 a.m. And then we wait another 1 hour, and then we continue at 10 in the morning and 11 in the morning. So why do we do this? We basically say here, wait until midnight, and here we say wait till 10 in the morning. So you could also have only this, wait till 10 in the morning, but then if someone would join the giveaway at 7 in the morning, then it would already continue 3 hours later. So that's why we wait until midnight, and then we wait until 10 in the morning. Now, and then you see that we automatically go to our day one follow-up. So again, this is just optional, but I just think it's important to keep people engaged, also to keep that 24-hour messaging window open. So the first thing that we check, let me edit this flow. The first thing that we check, are we allowed to send this message? So is the messaging window segment, is it recent interaction? Now, it should be, because we waited until midnight and then until 10 in the morning, so it's very likely that that person is still unable to send a message. So then again, I would just add like a personal photo or something, and then I say, hey Max, yesterday you joined the giveaway contest to get XYZ. Awesome. The results are not in yet, but I have a cool video for you. Would you like to see it? Now, if they say, yes, show me now, then I give them a little video. So again, you can completely customize this. It's just an idea to keep people engaged. But then we have our last flow left, and it is our winner announcement. So right at the moment, or like when you know, okay, we know the winner, then we want to notify everyone basically about who won, right? So what you have to do then is you have to go back over to your settings, you go to your custom fields, and then you go down to your bot field, and then you will populate the giveaway winner bot field with the name of the person that won. And it's very important that you take the exact Facebook name of that person. I will show you in a bit what it is. But let's say here, our winner is John Doe. So I've set it to John Doe now. And then we want to go over to our flows, templates, giveaway, contest. And again, all these flows I will also put in the description box below. And then here is our winner announcement. So I will edit this and explain how it works. So this flow you will basically send as a broadcast to all your subscribers. And this first condition is going to make sure who gets what message that is like complies with the messenger platform policies. So here in the first condition, we check, is the messaging window recent interaction? So did the person interact with the bot in the last 24 hours? If yes, we can just send like a cool photo, and then we say, hey Max, the winner for the giveaway is known. Do you want to know who it is? Now, if not, like here you see, if this is not a match, if not, then we check, okay, are we allowed to send that one-time notification? So one-time notification is giveaway winner announcement. So that's that topic that we enabled people for basically. Now, if yes, we follow this line, and then we send our one-time notification. So it's important that you send the content type, go down here and set it to giveaway winner announcement. And this one, by the way, you just set to other. So you have to do that. And then you're allowed to send one content thingy. So you're either allowed to send an image or a video or a text. So you see here that I have one text. So I do not have an image and like multiple texts, because we're only allowed to send one block. So here I'm saying, hey Max, the winner for the giveaway is known. Do you want to know who it is? Now, did I win or unsubscribe? Always make it super easy for people to unsubscribe. That way your block rate is not going up. Now, and if not, so if the messaging window segment is not recent interaction, and if it's also not one-time notification is giveaway winner announcement, then we check if the email has any value. And then what I do, I add a tag to active campaign with that we have to send a certain email. But you can also, again, just use ManyChat, their feature, to send emails, or you could also use Zapier or Integromat to send emails with MailChimp or with Active Campaign or with Drip or whatever. So then if someone says, did I win? Then we check if the giveaway winner is full name. So we're going to check if that person's name matches the bot field here. So if the giveaway winner is John Doe. So only John Doe will get the message that says, drum roll, you ... like build some like excitement, right? Won the giveaway, and then like a little gif or something like exciting. So you see me here like, yeah, you won. And then we say congratulations, and then you can maybe continue with like how you are going to give that person that prize or how you can redeem it. One thing I might want to notice is that if you have a very big page, that the full name variable is not super bulletproof. Imagine that people have the same name, like it's not so super likely. But in that case, you could also choose to use the user ID. So here, you could also say user ID, and then you can just get rid of the full name. But then remember to set the giveaway winner and store the user ID of the person that won into this custom field. So if you have a small page, then that chance is so super small. I would not worry about it. But if you have like a bigger page, then definitely use the user ID. Now, and if not, if that was not a match, then the person did not win. So then we say something like, sorry, it looks like you didn't make it. Now, then we quickly check, okay, does the giveaway winner has any value? And is the value, very important, not unknown? Because we set this custom field when you create it to unknown, right? And if we only check if it has any value, then it's going to say something like, the winner of the giveaway is unknown. Like you really do not want that, right? So it's very important that you say here, does the user match all of the following conditions? Giveaway winner has any value and it is not unknown. Now, if yes, then we say the winner of the giveaway is John Doe. And then we automatically continue to the next message. Also here, if for some reason we did not populate that field, then also here we ask, shall I notify you when we are doing another giveaway? Like they just participated in a giveaway, so chances are high that they want to participate in another giveaway. So if they say yes, awesome, they do this micro commitment again, and then we say, ok, click the button below and I'll send you a message. And then again, we add our OT on R, so we add it here and then get notified when we do another giveaway. Then people can click that button and we set the topic to giveaway, new giveaway. And as soon as I do that, they get a message that says, ok, I will let you know. In the meanwhile, feel free to check out my latest tutorials on YouTube. So again, you can just customize that. But that's basically how you create a giveaway with ManyChat. So you create your giveaway, people comment on the post, then they go into the registration flow, you capture their email address, you also enable them to send one-time notifications so that you can still send them messages outside the 24-hour window. And then when you want to announce the winner, you can just send that flow to everyone. And then the first condition is going to make sure that they are going to get the message that complies with the messenger platform policies. So yeah, that was this. I hope this is helpful. The next tutorial is also really cool. You see it on screen right now. It's about how you can create a survey inside ManyChat. And if you want, you can even combine this with your giveaway. So be sure to watch that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a little thumbs up. That really helps me a lot. And be sure to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this.